Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your DELL 7320 Detachable to Windows 11. To do it, click on the Start button, then click on Settings, and now go to Update and Security. Now you will see the Windows 11 update up here, and you can click on Download and Install. Then click on Accept and Install, and it will start downloading your Windows 11 update. It will take a longer while because it's a big update, so I'll get back to you after it downloads. And after less than an hour, it's downloaded and installed, and now I need to restart my PC. So you can either do it by clicking on Restart Now here, or you can schedule the restart, or you can just restart the normal way by clicking on the Start button, then here, and click on the Update and Restart, not just Restart. But I'm gonna go with this button, and now wait until the PC restarts, and it also will take a longer while because it has to apply the update. Now it's installed and it has restarted, and now the last minutes of configuration, and it will be ready to use with Windows 11. And it's fully ready. I can use it with Windows 11. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.